Here is the full 10,000 character detailed description in English for the title. Secrets of Master Craftsman in Building a Shower Floor with Natural Marble and Porcelain. The Experience of Master Hassan. Introduction. In every home, the bathroom is one of the most essential spaces, a place that demands comfort, hygiene, and smart water management. But one key element is often overlooked: the shower floor, or what Moroccan craftsmen call the linch. This floor area where water drains during a shower plays a major role in preventing water buildup, leaks, and long-term damage. Creating it isn't just a matter of putting tiles on the floor. It's an intricate job filled with techniques, calculations, and craftsmanship. In this feature, we dive into the real-life experience of Master Hassan, a Moroccan tile installer with over 20 years of hands-on experience. He reveals the hidden secrets and expert steps involved in building a shower floor using natural marble, int, high-quality porcelain. 1. Planning the job. Before touching a tool, Master Hassan never starts without a full mental and visual map of the project. His motto is clear: if you want to build well, you must think well first. He inspects the space, dimensions, slope possibilities, drain position, door location, and where the water naturally flows. He sketches the basic layout of the shower floor. He speaks to the client about preferences, marble versus porcelain, desired colors, or custom patterns. Pro tip: the drain should always be the lowest point. The floor must slope gently towards it to prevent water from collecting. 2. Excavation and preparing the base. Once the plan is clear, excavation begins. The area is cleaned of debris, dust, or leftover construction materials. The slope is marked using string or laser level. The floor is dug down about 6 to 10 centimeters, 2.5 to 4 inches, depending on tile thickness and drain depth. Master's trick: I always maintain a slope of 1.5 to 2.5 centimeters per meter, around 1/4 inch per foot, for optimal drainage. 3. Waterproofing. The unseen hero. This is where many installers cut corners. Not Master Hassan. Waterproofing is non-negotiable. He applies a waterproof membrane or liquid sealer over the entire base. 2 coats are applied in perpendicular directions for maximum coverage. 2. He waits a full 24 hours before starting any installation work. Quote, waterproofing is like a seatbelt. You don't always see its effect, but when things go wrong, you're glad it's there. 4. Installing the drain with precision. The drain, often a square or linear Italian drain, is the heart of the shower floor. It must be fixed in the lowest spot, securely anchored with cement, connected to the waste pipe with proper slope. K. He uses water to test the flow before continuing. Technical note: in linear drains, I work on a 2-direction slope leading to the channel, creating a V-shape that guides all water efficiently. 5. Choosing between marble and porcelain. Here, it's all about client preference and project type. Natural marble, luxurious, with beautiful veins and patterns, but more delicate and requires sealing. Porcelain tiles, extremely durable, scratcher-resistant, waterproof, and available in many designs, including marble look. Advice for high-end projects: marble shines. For busy homes or rental properties, porcelain is more practical. 6. Precision. cutting of marble or porcelain. This is where real craftsmanship begins. Cuses, a water jet cutter or diamond blade for smooth, accurate cuts. Each tile is measured 3 times before being cut once. Edges are often cut at 45-degree angles, miters, to ensure seamless corner finishes. Craftsman's secret: no rushed cuts. A single wrong measurement can destroy a tile worth hundreds of dirhams. 7. The art of installing with slope accuracy. Master Hassan uses special tile adhesive designed for marble or porcelain. He applies adhesive to both the floor and the back of the tile. Double bonding uses a rubber mallet to tap tiles gently into place. Continuously checks the slope using a spirit level installation method. Tile by tile. I never rush. Every tile deserves attention and alignment. 8. Detail work, edges, patterns, and personality. This is where Master Hassan's style really shows. He installs chrome or matte edge trimmed profiles for a clean look. Sometimes he adds center patterns in the shower floor using different colored marble. He creates anti-slip grooves if the tile is too smooth. Personal touch. Your work should speak when you're not there. That's what details are for. 9. Sidewalls and the shower border trottoir. The perimeter of the shower floor is vital. He installs a raised border 5 to 10 centimeters to prevent water from spilling out. The same material as the floor is often used for consistency. He ensures a soft slope downward to redirect water inside the drain zone. Pro tip: I always bevel the inner corners to avoid water pooling. It's a small touch that makes a big difference. 10. Cleaning, sealing, and testing once all tiles are installed. He cleans the surface with a soft cloth and neutral cleaner. Applies sealant on natural marble to protect it. Tests the slope by pouring buckets of water and watching the flow. Final check. If water doesn't reach the drain in 3 seconds, there's a mistake. Bonus: real-world story in one high-end villa project in Marrakesh. The client asked for a completely marble shower floor with golden veins. Master Hassan created a 4-way slope toward a linear drain. Used 60 by 60 centimeters marble tiles with precise miter coots. Added a central medallion pattern using green marble. When finished, the client said, "It doesn't look like a shower. It looks like a spa in a 5-star hotel." Conclusion: what we learned from Master Hassan's approach is that building proper shower floor is more than a task. It's a craft. Every tile, every cut, and every decision matters. It's about combining technical skill, visual harmony, and practical design. Whether you're a homeowner or a fellow installer, these insights offer you a valuable roadmap to understanding how true professionals elevate something as basic as a shower floor into a work of waterproof art. Want this content as a voiceover script, YouTube video outline, or PDF document? Just let me know. I'd be happy to help.
Absolutely. Here's the expanded English continuation of the detailed description titled Secrets of Master Craftsman in Building a Shower. Floor with natural marble and porcelain, the experience of Master Hassan. This edition builds on the previous 10,000 character section and dives even deeper into technical insights, finishing touches, and the emotional craft behind the work. Point 11. Calculating the slope, precision in motion. 1. Of the most critical aspects of building a shower floor is calculating the correct slope. Master Hassan never relies on guesswork. He uses laser levels for high-precision floor grading. Manual bubble levels help ensure slope consistency. He divides the shower floor into quadrants, setting reference points around the drain. Golden rule: too steep, and water rushes dangerously. Too flat, and it pools. The right slope is like poetry in geometry. 12 tile joints. Beauty in. The gaps many think grout lines are just for spacing. Hassan sees them as both functional and aesthetic. He uses 2 to 4 millimeter spacers for porcelain, and sometimes 1 to 2 millimeters for marble to keep a tight, seamless look. With marble, he prefers ultrafine joints filled with color-matched grout. For outdoor-style porcelain are 1-1 rated. Joints may be slightly wider for better traction. Secret tip: let your materials breathe. Expansion, moisture, all of it happens in the joints. 13. Tile adhesive. Choosing the right bond. Tile adhesive is the invisible backbone of the installation. He uses C2TE or S1 flexible adhesive, suitable for moisture-heavy environments. For marble, he avoids adhesives with acidic components too. Prevent yellowing or staining. Tiles are buttered on the back as well as the floor for maximum grip, known as double back buttering. Pro: insight. Cheap adhesive is a killer. You don't glue gold with mud. 14. Slip resistance, because safety matters. A beautiful floor is useless if it's slippery. For porcelain, Hassan uses R10 or R11 rated anti-slip tiles. In marble, he creates light grooves or uses a textured finish to reduce risk. He sometimes includes a central strip of rougher tiles as a safety zone. His belief: if grandma can't shower without slipping, it's not a safe floor. 15. Post-installation drying. Let it cure after installation. The area is left untouched for at least 48 hours. Natural airflow is encouraged, or fans are used for ventilation. The drain is sealed temporarily to avoid debris falling in. Masters: warning, many beautiful floors are ruined because someone walked on them too soon. 16. Corners and edges, where skill shows corners are, where great work is truly measured. He uses angle grinders with diamond pads to round edges. All internal corners are beveled or slightly rounded to prevent water collection. Hand sands each corner for a smooth, refined finish. Quote: sharp corners collect filth. Soft corners whisper elegance. 17. Marble art, the signature touch. One of Hassan's most celebrated projects was a 3-tone marble shower floor. White base, gray accents, and a circular black marble pattern at the center. Hand cut with a water jet and placed using a compass design, finished with a mirror-polished sealant that made it glow. Client's reaction: this is not a bathroom floor. It's a sculpture underwater. 18. Customer collaboration. More than just a job, every project starts and ends with conversation. Hassan presents sample layouts or mock-ups before starting. He invites feedback during installation. He provides care instructions tailored to the material. Philosophy: the client isn't just a payer, they're part of the vision. 19. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Hassan has seen it all, including failed installations by others. Incorrect drain placement causes standing water. No waterproofing layer results in long-term leaks. Overuse of grout sealer dulls the marble's finish. Case story: I was called to fix a luxury bathroom. The tiles were laid flat. No slope, no membrane, just tiles over sand. It was a swamp. Within months, 20. Final thoughts: when craft becomes legacy master, Hassan's journey is more than a technical story. It's the legacy of hands, tools, and experience combined. To him, a shower floor isn't just a utility. It's a canvas. Every tile is a decision. Every cut is an act of intention. And every finished job is a quiet signature in stone and water. Whether you're a craftsman seeking inspiration or a homeowner